know why it's so hard to focus? It's not because you're lazy. It's because your brain is constantly switching between notifications, videos, and distractions. Every time you switch, your focus gets weaker. Here's something that actually works. Before you start any task, put your phone out of reach and set a timer for just 25 minutes. During those 25 minutes, give your full attention to one thing. No checking messages, no scrolling, no excuses. When the timer ends, a 5-minute break, then repeat the process. Most people think focus is something you're born with. It's not. Focus is a skill. Like any skill, it's stronger every time you practice it. Remember this. The people who achieve the most aren't always the smartest. They are the ones who protect their attention. So today, don't try to do everything. Just focus on one task for 25 minutes. Because small moments of focus create big results.